Futurology has been a really interesting experience for academics and researchers from DCU to step out of their labs and offices and departments and share their research with a wider audience.
If research is worth doing, it's worth sharing. We've been reading and writing for 5,000 years. There can be a temptation to think that the reading and writing we've been doing by hand for a long time is on the way out, but I'm going to talk this evening about the importance of keeping those skills. We kind of need in the 21st century to think about biliteracy, so being able to use those more traditional literacy skills, but also making sure that children, students are equipped with the skills they need for critically reading online or identifying sources that just aren't reliable. But it's not a baby out with the bathwater kind of scenario.
I'm talking about the erosion of botanical knowledge from the second level curriculum. It's also happening at third level. I think it's important because our government declared a biodiversity crisis. And I think it's really important that somebody is looking at this in the context of formal education and putting research out there that shows the effect that this is having on our teaching and student populations.
I don't think you can look in the media without seeing something about AI and what it can do, but a lot of those conversations focus on what the technology is rather than its application in education. And I think it's important that educators explore the value of AI in education in a meaningful way.
I'll be speaking about the importance of working towards inclusive and equitable education system in Ireland. It's important to speak about inclusive education if we want to live in an inclusive society. It's important that we all understand why inclusive education matters and how it can be achieved.
We're really lucky in DCU that part of our work is not just teaching and educating teachers. We get to do research about things that we're curious about how to improve teaching and learning for young people. And so for me, it's important that research and ideas and scientific evidence about how we can support children's well-being in classrooms is translated into real-world practice. So for me, that's why this research matters.